I don't have any family history. I have never smoked. I did not take birth control pills. I breastfed both of my children. I had absolutely no reason to think that I was a candidate for breast cancer. About a week later, she gave me my results, and it said, need further evaluation, ultrasound advised, kind of thing. And 9 days later, I had results that I was, in fact, a cancer patient now. And I just stood there for a second. I thought, well, okay, what's next? And that's really how I got through the first couple months of knowing I had breast cancer, was just focusing on what's next.
Shay, from the very beginning, was very positive in terms of her outlook. And this is, again, a young female that was told that she had breast cancer, and the whole time, the first thing she told me was that she was going to beat it.
The first physician that I met was Dr. T-Lin, and she is my medical oncologist.
One thing that never wavered was her faith, knowing that there's something more out there for her to do, and her ability to find her way through all of this, I think is a testament to her faith.
I can only assume that she does this with all of her patients because she truly had concern in her eyes. Dr. Bajaj is amazing. When I realized that I would be having reconstruction, I read up a lot on her. Everyone had positive things to say about her, and she's meticulous in what she does. She's excellent.
So Shay's always had an upbeat attitude. It wasn't like, oh my God, my life is over. It was more like, okay, this is what I need to do. This is the next step. And I think her positive attitude has helped her throughout the past 2 years.
I was determined to hold my bald head up and smile. And I figured if I was smiling big enough, no one would notice that I was bald or that I had a funky rash on the back of my head. I have 5 friends that have worked at Saints or still do, but those 5 saints in action, they truly took care of me. They went to all of my appointments with me. They made sure that all the right questions were asked and all the answers were remembered, and I couldn't have done it without them. When I was going into surgery, I never worried that I wouldn't come out of it. You know, it was scary and it was sad sometimes that my body would be changing, that parts of me wouldn't be with me when I woke up, but I never worried that I wasn't in the best hands. It changed me as a person. It made me a kinder person. It made me a happier person.
She really has dealt with her disease with such grace. I'm not sure that all of us can say the same thing. I'm not sure that all of us can say that we have such a great faith that things will turn out the way they should. She has.
I am so excited to have the opportunity to be doing what I'm doing now, to be able to tell a woman, everything looks good, your exam's normal, we'll see you next year. I can't think of anything I would rather say. That is an amazing feeling to me.